Jen. I just wanted to let you see what I'm seeing. I'm not able to get into the list of contacts or I3, all the contact information. So it says a spreadsheet containing info for all who have consented to share it can be found here. And this is what I see. And you asked above, you said, make sure you are in the CCCO instance and not the MJC one. I'm not really sure what that means. Does that mean that this contact list is in the One Learning Community Canvas shell? Because I am logged in right now, but it didn't make a difference. I still got the error message, but I'm not sure if that's what you're asking. And I just wonder if it would be best to circulate an Excel spreadsheet or a Google Doc that doesn't require being logged in. I know that means it'll change, but that you could date them or something. I don't know. I'm not really sure, but I just want to show you what I'm seeing, and I still can't get it.